How to turn on auto scroll for Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to turn on auto scroll for Instagram Reels. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram app and sign in. Tap profile at bottom right corner. Tap three bar menu icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Look for the option of data uses and media quality under your app and data. Select that and make sure you turn off button for data saver. Because when data saver is turned on, video won't load in advance to help you use less data. So if you toggle the button off, it will help you to turn on auto scroll for Instagram Reels. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.